Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to connect iQIYI to TV. You can easily connect your iQIYI app to your TV so you can enjoy movies and dramas on a bigger screen. First of all, make sure that you turn on your smart TV and connect it to the Wi-Fi. Now go ahead and open up iQIYI application on your smartphone. Once you are logged into your account, browse and play the video that you'd like to connect on your smart TV. After you start playing the content, go ahead and tap on this AirPlay icon at the top. This will now show you this kind of an interface where you can tap on AirPlay. Now tap on your TV from the pop-up. After you do that, you will be able to play the selected video directly on your TV. But make sure that both your smart TV and your smartphone must be connected to the same internet. So that is how you can easily connect iQIYI to your TV. Now you can enjoy movies and dramas on your TV screen. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iQIYI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.